In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Beehiiv email sender name quickly and easily so your subscribers see the correct name every time you send an email. This is a simple setting, but it makes a big difference for branding, trust, and professionalism. If your newsletter name has changed, or you just want your emails to look a little more polished, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on Settings. This is where Beehiiv keeps all of your account and publication options. After that, find and click Emails. This section controls your email sending preferences and the details that subscribers will see when your messages land in their inbox. Now, scroll or look through the email sending details section until you find Sender Name. This is the exact field that determines the display name people see in their inbox. So if you've been wanting to update your personal name, brand name, or publication name, this is the spot to do it. Click into the Sender Name field and type in the new name you want recipients to see. You can use a brand name, your own name, or a combination of both, depending on how you want your emails to appear. For example, you might want something like your newsletter name, your company name, or your name followed by your business name. Choose whatever feels most consistent with your brand and the message you want to send. Once you've entered the new sender name, look for a Save button if Beehiiv prompts you to confirm the change. Click Save so the update is applied to your account. And that's it. Your Beehiiv email sender name has now been updated. Going forward, when you send emails through Beehiiv, your subscribers should see the new sender name in their inbox, which helps make your newsletters look more professional and recognizable. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.